Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iOS user, you should be no stranger to Find. Find My iPhone is an application designed for location sharing on iPhone. You can use it to find the location of your lost device, share the location information with your friends and family, and remotely wipe your device data. But Find My also has a drawback. That is, it may invade your privacy and lead to data leakage. Maybe you're tired of friends and family constantly monitoring you through the Find My Friends app. Maybe you don't want to receive unwanted requests or harassment from strangers because of the friend referral feature in the app. Then you don't want to miss this video. We will show you 2 ways to change your iPhone's location in Find My iPhone without anyone realizing it. The first method, which can be a bit tricky, is to use Xcode to change your location on Find My Friend. We can download Xcode from the Apple Store and open it. Then click Create a new Xcode project and follow the instructions to configure it. However, these steps require a little bit of Xcode knowledge, so be careful with these steps. Isn't there an easier way to change Find My's positioning? Of course there is. Don't worry. Take a look at the following great method that doesn't have any technical barriers. We can use GPS location change tool to hide our location. Here I strongly recommend you to use LocaChange. LocaChange is a professional iOS Android location changer. It can be compatible with the latest iOS 18.1 system. LocaChange is very easy to use. We can go to the official website to download a free trial. After successful installation, we will iPhone and computer with USB connection, and then according to the guidelines to connect the software. All the guidelines are very detailed. After entering the program, we can click on the address on the map or enter the location at will and subsequently click on Move. Look, our location on Find My has been changed. LocaChange works by faking GPS information, teleporting you anywhere, or making up routes with realistic speeds and movements to hide your real location information. You can modify Find My's location without anyone knowing by just clicking on it, which is really great for technical newbies like me. LocaChange also has super features and modes for you to experience. If you're also interested in LocaChange, click the link below the video to download it for free. What other tricks do you know to modify Find My location? Share them in the comments section. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next issue.